हेलो ऑल, आई एम नेहा। जब मैंने ये चैनल स्टार्ट किया तो मैंने 10th स्टैंडर्ड के मैथ्स से स्टार्ट किया। जब मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड का मैथ्स पढ़ा रही थी तो मुझे समझ आया कि देयर आर कंसेप्ट विच आर इन 9th एंड विच आर यूजफुल फॉर 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट. Okay, so I am thinking to start 9th standard maths also. So and again this will be useful for 9th standard. Again for the 9th standard student, अभी ये जो आपका रहेगा दैट इज़ अ सेकेंडरी लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन. अब तक आपको मैथ्स की एक ही बुक थी, बट हियर आफ्टर यू विल बी हैविंग 2 books ऑफ मैथ्स 1 and मैथ्स 2. Okay, so in that algebra and statistical problems are there and which are very useful in your higher studies also. Okay, so आपका एक पर्टिकुलर अप्रोच रहेगा इसमें. एक तो ऐसे कि आपको अच्छे से आपकी बुक कवर करनी है, सेकेंड इज़ आपको उसका प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन समझना है, एंड थर्ड वन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट मोर एंड मोर. अगर आप इस तरीके से अच्छे से मैथ्स करते हो देन 10th विल बी वेरी ईजियर फॉर यू. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ अ 9th स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स. तो 9 के मैथ्स 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज सेट्स. So I have written some examples there. So first example is flower of bouquet. Okay, so if I say that bouquet, then it contains some particular numbers of flowers like 3 flowers, 4 flowers. Second example is bunch of keys. So in that particular bunch there are 3 keys or 4 keys. So in this example I can definitely and clearly says that it contains 3 flowers or 4 flowers. It contains some number of keys. Okay. Third example is collection of numbers. I have written some number there starting from 1 to 100. So in that particular collection I can definitely say that it contains 100 objects. So in this example I can clearly list the object. So such collection is called sets. Okay, so moving towards the definition of set. So I am just reading here. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects. Suppose I am taking the third example. In that example 1 to 100 numbers are there and it is collection of numbers. Okay, so I can definitely and clearly define the numbers there, like this collection is contain 100 numbers. Okay, so here if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, in that particular collection I can definitely and clearly show you the objects, then that collection is called set. उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, सेट बोलते हैं. सो मूविंग टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट एजेंडा. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट द सेट. ओके, सो सेट नेम is generally defined by these capital letters like starting from A to Z, and the elements in a set are given by the small letters like A, B, C. Okay, so suppose A is an element of set A, then how we can write that A belongs to A, and if A is not element from the set capital A, then how we can write A does not belongs to A. So suppose I want to write the set of natural number, then how can I write n equal to in curly bracket 1 comma t comma 2 comma 3 dot dot dot. Okay, so generally set of natural number is defined by the letter n. So there are 2 methods of writing sets. In that first method is listing method, or we can call it as roster method. Okay, so in listing method what we can do, we can write all the elements in curly brackets. Okay, as you can see here we have written elements in a curly brackets. And what is second condition, element is written only once. Whatever the elements are there in the set we have to write it only once. Okay, so first example I have taken odd numbers between 1 to 10. Now we know that odd numbers between 1 to 10 are 3, 5, 7, 9. So how I can write this set by using listing method or roster method is A is equal to in curly bracket 3, 5, comma 5, comma 7, comma 9 curly bracket completed. Okay, and our second example is words in apple. If I consider this apple, then in that P is repeated. But what is our next condition, element is written only once. So how I can write this set, that A is equal to in curly bracket A is there, P is there only once, L and E. So A equal to in curly bracket A comma B comma A comma P comma L comma E. Now let's move towards second method of writing set. So what is that method? Rule method or set builder form method. So in this method, what we are not doing here, we are not writing list of elements. Okay, but what we are doing here, that we are writing general elements using variables. Generally we use the variable x. Okay, so we do not write list of elements in this method, but we have to write general elements using variables. So these are some examples of rule method. So in that method, so this is written by rule method. Okay, so I am going to tell you how we can read this. So we can read it by the set A is a set of all x, where x is a letter of the word division. Okay, now this is second example. So how I can write that? Set A is a set of all x, where x is a natural number and x is between 1 to 10. Okay, suppose I want to write this by listing method, then how I can write this? I am using red pen for that. That A is in curly bracket. So x is what? Letter of the word division. So D I V, I is repeating and already I have written here, so I am not writing again. S, again I is repeating, so not writing. O N. So this is listing method. So this is difference between listing method and rule method. Now using this information up till now, the concept what we have learned, you can ready to solve practice set 1.1. Please try to solve them and we will discuss some of the problems in our next session. Okay.